I'm going to tell you why you should quit developing games today, right now. Actually, it's not that serious. Really, though, some reasons that you should quit developing games right now are specifically if you're in it just for the money. Okay? Now, for me personally, I am in it for the money. I do hope to achieve a replacement for my primary day job income, or God forbid, to get wealthy one day from it, or at least to make a good, modest living. I'd like to do that. That's my goal as a game developer. But if I don't achieve those things, I'm not going to regret the time and effort that I have put into developing games. That's because it's something that I would be doing regardless of whether or not I make money at doing it. Now, you should quit if that's not the case for you. Why? Because I think success is not guaranteed. Success is not even really likely in game development. Okay? You have a very small percentage chance to be wildly successful, right? You have a very modest chance at being, modestly successful, and a very high chance of just barely breaking even or even losing money on a game if you're to publish it on a platform like Steam, for example. You're just not likely to do it. And if that's the only reason you're doing this, you're probably going to look back on the time you spent, the money, the effort, years down the road, and you're going to think that you wasted your time. You're going to feel a great deal of regret, maybe even some resentment over that time and effort and money that you dumped into this because you thought it was going to get you rich, and then it didn't happen, right? So instead, what I think you should do, if you're like me, is forget the industry that you think is going to make the most money. Don't start with what you think is going to make the most money. Start with what you have a passion for, something that you would do in your free time, something that you would read about for free, something that you would pursue all on your own without regard to money, and then find a way to make money with that thing. So for me, I would make games no matter what. It's something I read about, it's something that I enjoy the challenge for. I just would do it for free, and something I have done for free for 25 years or so, right? And I think it has the potential to earn money. So I'm going to pursue that as a business enterprise, right? But if I am 65 years old looking back on my career and I dumped all this time and effort into this, I'm not going to regret it one bit because it's something I would have done anyway. But if you go into real estate because you think real estate is the hot thing right now, but you don't really care about real estate, you put money and time and effort into it, and it doesn't work out, you're just going to feel terrible about what you've done. So that's the reason why you should quit game development today, if you're in it just for the money. So find something you're passionate about. If that's game development, awesome, do it. But if not, find something else and then find a way to make money with that thing, okay? Now, if you are into game development, stick around, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you again very soon. Have a good one.